So in this video, I'll show you how to unlock or reset your Apple Watch if you forgot your passcode. Yes, if you forgot the passcode of your Apple Watch, then there are two methods using which you can reset your Apple Watch. First, let's see how to do it when you have your iPhone with you. Just open the Watch app and make sure that your Apple Watch is charged and connected. Now, open General, scroll down to the bottom, select Reset, and tap on Reset Content and Settings. This will unfortunately erase all the data on your Apple Watch and will put it back into factory settings. But the good news is that when you reset your Apple Watch using this method, your iPhone automatically creates a backup. So when you again pair it with your iPhone, just select the Restore from Backup option and you will get back into your Apple Watch with the passcode removed. Now, if you don't have access to your iPhone, then here's how to reset your Apple Watch in case you forgot the password. First, plug your Apple Watch into the charger and long press the side button to access the power off menu. Now, long press the crown button and you will see the reset option. You won't see this option if your Apple Watch is not plugged into the charger. This option only appears when it is connected to the charger. So just tap on the reset button and again tap on it to confirm. As you can see, now the Apple Watch has started to reset. And shortly after, it's ready to pair. The password is removed and now you can set it up again. So that was it. That's how to reset your Apple Watch if you forgot your passcode. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Wearholic for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.